This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
For the transistor model circuit in below, to obtain the Thevenin's equivalent at terminals A and B. So from this circuit, we can observe the 12 ohms in series with 3 kilo ohm resistance. And from this condition to find I0 value. And from the internal connection of current control current source 20 I0 in parallel with 2 kilo ohms. From this total circuit is completely circuit representation is transistor model, and the 2 kilo ohms across the A and B terminals is connecting. The A and B terminals connected across to find VTH and RTH. Then you can draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Now, to find the Thevenin's equivalent for the circuit, first of all, you need to find VOC and ISC. The VOC is nothing but VTH, but RTH you may not direct calculation of resistance in series or parallel because the dependent source are presented. That's why we are equivalent in RTH to find VOC by ISC. So first of all, to calculate VOC across A and B terminals, we can redraw the circuit. The 12 volts is in series with 3 kilo ohms to find I0, and the 20 I0 current control current source in parallel with 2 kilo ohms. So first we calculate I0 value. The 12 volts by 3 kilo ohms is simply 4 milliamperes, and this one is done. Next, by applying KCL at node B across 2 kilo ohms. So from this KCL, we may applying from the 20 I0 and 2 kilo ohms across VOC terminals. So plus 20 I0 plus V by 2K is equals to 0. That V is equals to VOC. Now the 20 into I0 value you can calculate already. That value you can substitute from this case. 20 into 4 into 10 power minus 3 plus V by 2K is equals to 0. Next one, there V is equals to, you can calculate from the above condition, minus 160 volts, where V is equals to, VOC is equals to, VTH equals to minus 160 volts. Next one, to find ISC. So to find ISC across 20 I0 and 2 kilo ohms, because 12 by 3K already we can calculate. So ISC value it becomes, you can draw on the circuit first, 20 I0 in parallel with 2 kilo ohms, and plus and minus terminals you can directly connect from the ISC. The short circuit current, where we can plus and minus terminal, we can directly connecting, where the terminals we can directly connecting the terminal in parallel with any element we can open. So finally, ISC is equals to minus 20 into I naught value. So I naught, you know the I naught value, 4 into 10 power minus 3. So minus 20 into 4 into 10 power minus 3. So therefore, ISC is equals to minus 80 milliamperes. Next case, where we can calculate RDH value or R equivalent value, VOC by ISC according to Ohm's law. You know the VOC value, minus 160 by ISC value, minus 80 milliamps. Then finally, RDH equals to 2 kilo ohms.